Okay, so the first thing that we will do, we'll press this black button right here to turn on the light. So when you're setting up the sewing machine, the first thing you would check is your bobbin. Your bobbin will be located under here. And you pull this thing out. I'm sorry, I just pulled it out. Let me put it back in. Up. And this is your bobbin. Where my hand is, I pull it, see, let's see. Okay, so let me get a little closer. A little closer. Okay, so this thing that I pull right here, you pull this a little bit closer. Like this, pull this out. This thing right here is the bobbin. We are going to fill this up with whatever thread that you're using at the time, because when you're threading, it's 2 threads going in at once. So with the 2 threads, you will have to make the bobbin the same color as the regular thread, if you get what I'm saying. But you will get what I'm saying if you pay attention. So we take the bobbin out of this thing. We set this to the side. We grab our thread. So let me see, which color thread are we gonna use today? I'll pick red. Okay. So we got our red thread. We can close this up for now. Take our bobbin. Our bobbin is this thing. We take this, we bring it to the top, and we set it on top of here. Okay, see this? Now, let me set my camera down. We grab our thread, and we set the thread right here on this thing. See, it might be pushed down, but you pull it up. Set it on there. And this is how you do it. See the directions right there? You take this and you pull it around here, right? And you pull it this way. Okay. Okay, so once we get this twisted, how I showed you, we're gonna take our bobbin and we're gonna stick the thread through one of the holes. Okay, put it through, take the bobbin, stick it at the top up here on the small little, can you see? Stick it up here. Press that down. So you got your string. Hold your string. Push this over. Now hold your string. Twist it. And just twist it. And keep twisting it until you see the bobbin fill up with thread. Just keep twisting it. I'm gonna show you my bobbin after I'm done. After I done filled it up, I'll show you how it looks. See, my machine is broke because you're supposed to be able to press the pedal, and when you press the pedal, it'll twist it and fill your bobbin up. But it just so happen if your machine ever broke, like how mine it is, I'm showing you how to still continue to just work with it, because sewing machines are expensive and I'm very attached to this one, so I'm not throwing it away. I just keep doing this. And I actually have another sewing machine, so I'll show you guys how to set that one up as well and work. So once you get thread on there, see how we didn't have no thread at first, but now I got some thread. Once you get some thread on there, you can actually cut. You can actually cut this one. Cut this kind of short, not too short. Leave it a little bit. Just leave a little bit. You'll see why later. Try to fill your bobbin up with thread as much as you can, because you're gonna need it. So, bob, bob, and bob, bob, fill that bob. But now you gotta fill your bob up with thread. See, math is. So after you filled your bobbin up, you're gonna get through the left. After you fill your bobbin up, you're gonna click it, and then you're gonna cut it. See? Cut it. Cut it. Pull this off, and then fix your thread. This is how you thread it. Up. Pull it out of there. You see this little thing inside of there? Come on, camera. There's a thing inside of here. See that? Gonna pull your thread through that. See, I got mine through. Pull it down. Pull it down. Then you go around. Oh, lost it. Go around this. Pull it back up. See this thing? Go around that. Pull this down. And now we're down here. And then you stick your thread through this needle. Pull it through. Yep. Now, leave it on it. We take our bobbin, cut this a little bit, because we only want to leave just a little bit. And then roll that up. Now, we take the second part to our bobbin. We stick it in there. See this? Stick the thread through there. Pull it through here. Now we should be in there. Now, this is a good way to know if it's in there or not, because once I start twisting it that way, your thread should be coming short. So twist it up. It's short, and there we go. Now we pull this down, insert our bobbin. Make sure okay. You see, twist this. See that part? Push that in. and it's in there. Close that up. Like this. Excuse me, sir. Could you go that way, please? What you want? An apple or an orange? Okay, I'm gonna give you an orange in a minute. Go sit down. So, close that up. Put this part, yes. Put this part back. Put up and down. Up. Yes. Okay. So now we have threaded the bobbin. We gotta put the thread through there. We got it flowing. Everything is flowing. See that? I pulled all that out. We don't waste no thread around here. We don't waste no thread. So we gonna roll this back. See that thread coming back? Yeah. Okay, so you set your machine up and now we can sew. I'm gonna show you guys how to sew. See, here's the pattern. Machine up. Now we're about to sew.